Good day. My name is Patricia B. Fernandez from BE81 Black One. I'm here to discuss the interaction between matter and energy. But before that, I will discuss first what is matter. So what is matter? Matter refers to anything that occupies space and has mass. In other words, the stuff that the universe is made of. Everything from an ant to a trap to the Earth, and even the entire galaxy is composed of matter. Next, what is energy? Energy it is in everything. It is often described as the ability to do work. When we eat food, our body uses chemical energy embodied in the food to move around. When we switch on the TV, electricity kinetic energy is used to create the picture on the screen and the sound. Most of the electricity produced in the world comes from the chemical energy released in the burning of coal, oil, or gas. Every time something gets warm, cools down, moves, grows, makes a sound, or changes energy, it uses energy. So next, what is the difference between energy and mass? The difference between the two is that energy is produced from matter yet has no mass, and is the capacity to do work, while matter is the physical stuff in the universe. So how are matter and energy related? Energy moves matter. Energy is a property that matter has. The same amount matter can have different amounts of energy and so represent different states of matter. For example, if you add an energy to an ice cube made of water, it becomes liquid water. And if you add even more energy, it becomes steam. The kind of matter is the same and the amount of matter is the same as in the original cube, but there is more or less energy. So now, how do matter and energy interact? Energy is the capacity to do work. Two forms of energy where matter and energy interact are kinetic energy and potential energy. So what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is a type of energy which only moving objects have. An example of kinetic energy is a bowling ball rolling and knocks down the bowling pins in the way. Next is potential energy. Potential energy is energy an object possesses because of its position. The reason it is called potential energy is because it has the potential or ability to make matter move and change once the energy is released. The amount of potential energy an object needs corresponds to the amount of force needed to keep it in position. An example of potential energy is an apple hanging from a tree and the apples waiting to fall down. Potential energy also affects atoms and molecules as strong forces hold these particles together, giving the particles potential energy. So what happens when matter interacts with energy? In a solar system, matter and energy are thought to be conserved in the same way as they are in nature, meaning that they can change form but cannot be created or destroyed. So how do matter and energy work together? Matter consists of atoms held together by electromagnetic forces. Notice that increasing the kinetic energy of the atoms weakens their bonds. Heating increases the motion of atoms and causes the matter to go from solid, ice, to liquid, water, to gas, waveform. So what is the importance of matter in energy? Energy and matter are essential concepts in all disciplines of science and engineering, often in connection with systems. The supply of energy in of each needed chemical element restricts a system operation. A plant, for example, cannot grow without inputs of energy, sunlight, and matter, carbon dioxide, and water. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.